Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring or a magic circle. This is used when you want to crochet projects in the round, and once you've put some stitches inside the ring, you're able to pull on the tail end, which then closes the ring up. So this is a really easy method. So you want to take your yarn, pinch it between your fingers. Now you want to twist the yarn to make a loop, making sure that the tail end lies underneath your working yarn. Once you have this loop, you pinch it with your finger, take your hook, insert it from the front, grab your long yarn, turn your hook down and pull it through your loop. Now you want to turn the hook around your yarn again and pull it through the little loop you just made. And that's your magic ring. Now let's try that again. So take your yarn, put it between your fingers, grab it and twist it up so the tail end is beneath the long yarn. Pinch the cross section here, take your hook, insert it from the front, grab your yarn and pull it through the loop. Now hook your yarn on your hook again and pull it through this little loop. And that's it. Now you'd be working some stitches into the center of the ring. So let's just practice with some single crochets. That's single crochets in US terms. In UK terms, it would be double crochet. So let's do a few so I can show you how the ring closes up. So now I've got a few stitches here. You pull this tail end, hold your work, and see it all comes together. I'm going to finish off by slip stitching into our first stitch. And as you can see, there's no hole in the center.